mortgage. And what happens is marketers are really crafty, they're really smart, and you get suckered. A couple examples that I've seen recently, different programs that people advertise, and it's a $25 or $2,500 discount, for our Homes for Heroes program. Yet they're charging you $6,000 more than an independent broker would for a VA loan. Well, that's not a deal. That's getting suckered. That's good marketing, I guess, if they can get people to do business with them because of that $2,500 incentive, not knowing they're being charged $6,000 more, which nets them negative $3,500 if you're a math person. So, similar to how Kohl's does it, they mark something $49.99 and then say 60% off sale. You come and buy it for $20 and you feel like you've done good. Well, what you don't know is it's $12.99 on Amazon. So you were a sucker. 60% off is the marketing. Got you. Anyhow, hundreds of examples I could cite, but the moral of the story, don't be a sucker. Builder's Lender is offering you a $4,000 incentive, but they're priced $7,500 more than me. Don't be a sucker. Give me a call. Any questions at all regarding mortgage, please feel free to reach out. Hopefully this is helpful. Talk to you soon.